Hey guys, I'm Mac Helper. I haven't said that in ages. I'm so excited to bring you this unboxing and setup of the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is the base model, the $1,200. It costed, well, I got it as a graduation gift, but it was $1,300 because I bumped up the amount of RAM. That's the only upgrade I essentially have for this camera. Let me find where, oh, it's on the bottom. I am so excited. As you may know, my last unboxing video for a Mac it's over there. It's my 2015 MacBook Pro. It kind of pooped the bed a little. The keyboard and trackpad do not work. I know I can get it fixed, but whatever. Let's jump right into this unboxing. I literally have spent the past week buying stuff for this computer. I'm super excited. This is my first touch bar computer, and USB-C computer. So here it is, and it's metal. It won't focus. Has it even focused the whole time I've been doing this? This lens is not that good. Here it is. MacBook Pro right here. Take it out and I apologize for all that changing of focus. It was my settings on my camera. So I'm going to put the MacBook aside and just get to I think it's like two things that are in the box, which are you got the cable to charge it, the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and then you also have the like paperwork. I don't know why. Oh, cool. They include new gray or silver. No, not silver. New gray Apple stickers. It's pretty sick. And I think that is all. Is that something? Is that just okay? No. But yeah, in here is just like the classic MacBook Pro, almost like instruction manual. Sorry for the focus on this camera. It's not even the camera. It might be the camera, or it might also be the lens. It's just like a step-by-step on like how to get set up. I think this is like a health and safety pamphlet, and then the stickers. And then under that, this camera. And under that we have the charging brick. Oh, whatever. I don't need the paper. And then this is just a standard looking Apple charger. Has a USB-C port on one end, outlet on the other. You can take this off, add the extender to it. Let me put the box aside. Let's open this computer and set it up. So I will cut out parts of it that are related to I just added to manual focus. It's getting ridiculous now. I'm so sorry if it's been out of focus this whole time. Right, data and privacy, continue. Don't transfer information now. I'm gonna put in my Apple ID. I'm gonna black out the screen for you. Or I'm just gonna black out the whole thing. Where's my phone? Oh wow. Alright, and I'm back. So, verifying GarageBand. Why is it? Oh, it's going to install the Apple stuff. Every Apple program. That's kind of annoying. Agree. Copy. Give it a second to do the password stuff, and the black box will go away. Yeah, what is it? I am back. It was just doing a lot of setting up with iCloud. I don't really care. I can share. I don't mind. Continue, please. Enable Siri, because why not? Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Oh, I didn't know Hey Siri was on the Mac. That's kind of cool. I don't really want Siri listening to me. Yeah, I'll do that. Even though I have it set up, I'm gonna have, probably when it loads up, I'm gonna have a bunch of crap on my desktop. I'll do that. I'll do that too. I've never had a fingerprint sensor on a computer before. I have the iPhone 8, had the 5S, had the 6S, even the 8 Plus. I know what it's like to have a fingerprint sensor. It's never on a computer. It's very cool. Oh, I meant to. Continue. Oh God, do I just have finger? No, okay. I'll just do this later. I like dark. Continue. Sorry, it's like out of focus. Oh, True Tone. I forgot this computer has True Tone. My phone has True Tone. My iPad does not. Alright, and here it is, it's all set up. Give it a sec for everything to pop up. Literally, if iCloud is set up, you'll probably see a bunch of stuff on my desktop, because I do the iCloud documents documents and desktop in the cloud, and it'll probably go to the cloud. I need to adjust everything, make it like my Mac that's over behind. It's right, actually, that's my Mac. But yes, I will do that, and then I'll probably do like a review in a few weeks, and also, like I did with my older MacBook, I'll do a comparison between this Pro, my old Pro, and then my old Mac from 12 years ago. And see the kind of size comparison, Mac from 5 years ago versus 12 years ago, and today. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.